Hey, it is your favorite remote work enthusiast, Delilah. I am back with a couple of hot new work from home opportunities for online editing positions. These are completely remote. They are open United States wide, but you don't have to be in any particular location. All you need is your internet connection, so no need for a phone or an Ethernet cable. As long as you have internet, you're good. So before I get into any more information about these leads, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And make sure you tap the notification bell so that you can stay up to date on the latest work from home opportunities. I post weekly work from home hot leads for companies that are hiring, as well as work from home information that I think you will find valuable. All right, let's go ahead and jump in.
All right, so let's just go ahead and jump in. The first opportunity that I will share is from 3Play Media. This company is going to hire United States wide, and it's completely remote. So as long as you have an internet connection, you can work from anywhere. And the pay is going to be anywhere from $10 per hour to $30 per hour, depending on the project and the type of opportunity you're working on. So it says that they're looking for contract transcriptionists and editors to transcribe recorded audio and edit imperfect transcription using their proprietary internet-based software application. So the required qualifications are that you have excellent written communication skills, excellent command of English usage, grammar, and punctuation, experience with computer word processing, typing ability of at least 75 words per minute, proficiency with internet research and reference resources, the ability to manage projects and work independently, and you must be at least 18 years of age. And a nice to have, or a couple of nice to haves, is that you have familiarity with Microsoft Excel or other spreadsheet applications, and then you have strong technical proficiency with computers and computer applications. And your computer has to be either a PC or a Mac, and then they get into the type of specifications and the disk space, and then you just need to have a high-speed internet connection, and then regular access to email. So your location, it does say that it's anywhere in the United States as long as you have an internet connection. And then they just talk about the pay again, $10 to $30 per hour, depending on your efficiency and the project. And if you want to apply, all you need to do is click the complete the application here link, and it will take you to the application, and it says that they will contact you. So if this sounds like a good fit for you, then definitely apply. Last but certainly not least is a company called Gramlee. It says, "You write, we edit," and they are seeking editors. Now, this opportunity is short and sweet. They don't give a whole lot of information, but what I found is that the pay is going to be in line with the previous opportunity I shared. You can expect about $10 per hour minimum. Depending on the project, it could be more. So it says that they're always looking for exceptional editors. If you can't stand poorly structured writing and mistakes, then you're the type of person that they want to fix errors. And then it says Gramlee may be the perfect machine for you. And their editors are absolute grammar fanatics who shudder at the thought of poor writing. And if that sounds like you, then they want you to apply. So you would just click the "Please submit our employment application here" link, and it will take you to the application process. So if this sounds like you and you just shudder at poor grammar, then definitely apply.
Okay, so there you have it. Those are the two hot work from home opportunities for online editors, and the pay varies. It depends on the project, but you can expect to make at minimum about $10 per hour, all the way up to about $30 per hour, depending on the project. So definitely get your application in if it sounds like a good fit for you, and then also share this video on your social media. People are getting connected to work from home opportunities every day because of these videos, and you never know who you are helping out. So hopefully this was helpful for you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!
Hey, before you go, make sure you check the description box below for a link to my free 10-page ebook. It is a complete checklist for all of the work from home equipment that you may need to get started in your very own opportunity. Talk soon!